So here we are, the day I fly out to Turkey and go to Dr.Serkan Aygın's clinic and have a hair transplant. It actually feels quite incredible, empowering, just to say it on camera and just hear it out loud that this is something that I'm going to do. It's been something that's been on my mind for, if I'm honest, many years. Something I've wanted to do for a long time, but just never, I don't know, I can use the cop-out phrase, I've just never got round to it, or I can say there's always been other stuff going on, putting it to the back of my mind as much as I can, but it's got to a point where it's starting to impact my confidence and my energy, and now I'm doing something about it.
So we've arrived, we're picked up by the driver, and now being taken to the hotel, where I'll have a couple of hours just to chill before getting picked up to go in to see Dr. Serkan. It's happening.
Email's under control, the hotel's already incredible. Come follow me on my hair transplant journey. So we've come down from the room, I'm sitting in the lobby waiting for my transfer. It's really important at Mantenatal that we talk about confidence and being ready to step up, dealing with anxiety and mental health. One of the reasons I'm here to go to the clinic today is to deal with my own mental health issues. Follow me in my journey as we head out to get to the transport now. At Mantenatal, one of the most important topics that we focus on is mental health. Did you know that 1 in 10 new dads will suffer from some form of mental issue, whether it be anxiety, depression, stress, you name it? I wanted to make sure as the owner and founder of Mantenatal that we also practice what we preach. Because I myself have had my own challenges, my own anxieties, and guess what? My own mental health challenges. And one of the things that's been on my mind for such a long time is my hair loss. I'm here at Dr. Serkan Aygın's clinic, the best there is, to get this fixed. Guys, you can do the same. So yesterday was picked up by my driver from the hotel, incredible service, already brought straight to the clinic. The team have been absolutely amazing. Went upstairs, we had a consultation with Dr. Serkan Aygın. He drew on my head, marked exactly where the lines need to be, how many grafts I'm going to need, and I've then been back into surgery. They've taken grafts from my beard, obviously from the donor area at the back. But what I have to say is about the therapy and the surgery itself, the team were amazing. And anytime you feel any type of pain, just make them aware. They will absolutely look after you. They will put more injections into your head. And last night already managed to get 6 hours sleep. I don't know how, did wake up 3 times. But all in all, the service has been unbelievable. Thank you.